Hi, I'm Junior Zonkosinki from Ghana, and we'll be talking on the types and usage of important studio cables. There are many types of cables we are bound to come across and use when working with audio production, and the mostly used cables in a standard home studio include the following: the TS, TRS, 8-inch jack, XLR cable, and RCA cable. Let's now look at them individually. The TS cable is a quarter-inch jack, also known as an instrument cable or mono cable. It is a very important cable. It has a single conductor cable and a shield around it, which carries just a single audio signal in its line path. This is also called an unbalanced cable. Note this: the TS cable is very susceptible to noise, and therefore it is advised to use short lengths of it when connecting to equipment. Common examples of instruments which use this cable include keyboards, electric guitars, synthesizers, and other devices which have quarter-inch output for their connection. Now let's look at the TRS cable. It is a quarter-inch jack with two conductor cables and a shield. This means two different signals are and also can be sent through the cable. This gives it the name a stereo cable. This type of cable is usually used to connect headphones, where one side of its conductor, which is the tip, sends an audio signal to the right side of the headphone, whilst the other conductor, which is the ring, sends an audio signal to the left side of the headphone simultaneously. Thirdly, let's look at the 8-inch jack. This type of cable is similar to the quarter-inch jack or TS cable. The only difference is that it is a smaller form factor of the quarter-inch jack. The 8-inch is usually used to connect headphones to portable gadgets like MP3 players, iPods, and mobile phones. An XLR cable is a 3-connector cable, just like the TRS, but is mainly used in connecting microphones. Its conductor connections are done in a way which allows it to reject noise along the signal path. It is known as a balanced cable. It is therefore advised to use XLR cables when making long runs in the studio and or on stage. Very often it is required to convert between an unbalanced signal cable, which is the TS, to a balanced signal cable, which is the XLR. And the device which aids that conversion is a direct box. The direct box is a simple gadget which allows you to connect a TS cable as an input and an XLR cable as an output. That is, converting the signal from an unbalanced signal configuration to a balanced signal configuration. Lastly, let's look at the RCA or video cable. This is a cable which also functions like the TS cable because they also have a single conductor and a shield around them. They are usually very necessary when connecting home appliances such as CD players to professional equipment like the mixer in a studio. These are just about the few cables used in running a simple home studio. Thanks so much for watching. I'd be glad to get a feedback on if everything is right and also help on anything I could have explained better. Thanks once again for watching.